gorgeous day. I can't ask for a better scenario. Look at this beautiful weather. Oh my goodness. So Mom and I are going to go to the hiking trail this morning and see what we can find, and we'll bring you guys along. Today is supposed to be 77 degrees today, and look at this beauty behind me. It's so oh yeah, so last night I had an amazing adventure with one little issue. The train. The train is right over here on this little, that's the track right up there, and it goes all the way up here, and right about there is the railroad track crossing for vehicles. And what's interesting about that railroad track crossing is that there's no rails, so the horn has to go off like a number of times to warn any oncoming vehicles, and that horn blows right here, and my campground's right here, and I'm sleeping. That's my queen size bed right there, and I'm sleeping in there. And about 11:20 last night, I went to bed around 9:30, and about 11:20 I was out cold, and out of nowhere I heard this horn go, and it was so loud I jumped out of bed. I mean, it was like one of those things that you wouldn't believe. It was so loud. So yeah, I had to plug my ears. It was that loud, and yeah, so that happened at 11:30, and then at 4 o'clock this morning. The one at 4 o'clock didn't blow his horn as long as the other guy did, but I'll tell you what, phew, rude awakening. So we got to deal with that. Let's see, tomorrow, or today, tomorrow, and Sunday. So I got to plan ahead, maybe. Anyway, it's a funny story. All right, so I'm gonna drive to the trailhead. It's about half a mile from here, and not very far. We're gonna park at the trailhead and walk in and go up the Deschutes River today to take an adventure. And then later on, I think we're gonna go to, I think we are actually gonna go over to Deschutes. I'm sorry, Dalles, the Dalles, which is on the Columbia Gorge right behind me. So we're gonna go check out that area and maybe do some sightseeing in the city. All right, guys, we'll see you in a few. All right, we made it to the trailhead, and so right over here is the Deschutes River, and so that looks like some nice trout fishing in there. So I just saw a big fish just jump right over here, and I mean a big one. Not like, I mean like, I'd say 24, 36 inches right in there. Fins were huge. It'd be kind of cool if I caught it on film. He was right past that. Oh, there he is. Did you see it? I hope you guys got to see it. I hope I got that on film. That was cool. Oh man, I'm gonna bring my pole over here. I have a feeling though those are steelhead, and my gear, I only have some trout gear with me, but again, I'll go to town and find out for sure, because I have to buy tags, and I gotta have better gear. So, but look at these landings right here, and just cast over here, over there. So this river is just full of fishing. wonderful day we've had. It's beautiful weather today, and we actually just kind of mellowed out and did nothing this afternoon after that hike, and we had some lunch. But now I'm getting ready to make some dinner. So we're here in Deschutes River, and I thought I'd make some my red sauce for some pasta tonight. So I'm going to do it outside. I love cooking outside. Oh, we got some geese flying over there. I don't know if I was able to catch that or not. Tons of geese. They're all hanging out over here. Anyway, so let me give you the ingredients. So I got some sweet Italian sausage, 1 onion chopped, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 can of tomato sauce, 1 can of diced tomatoes, and I'm going to use maybe 2 tablespoons of the tomato paste. I need olive oil, and then I got some thyme, oregano, basil, bay leaves, and my spice mix. And if you haven't figured that out, I use it in everything. It's its own flavor. It's awesome. So anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and get things ready. I'm gonna start off with sauteing the onions and the garlic. So let me get my my pot going, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm going to put some fresh grated Parmesan cheese right here, bring it over there, and just kind of shave it over the top. That looks pretty good. All right. And let me give it a taste. Let's see here. It looks good. Let's see. A little cheese. Oh yeah. Oh, there you go. That's what you're gonna have camping. Perfect. All right, guys, that's another meal for y'all. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.